Hello everyone, welcome to 12am coding. So today we will be seeing how we can live reload in Spring Boot. Okay, so I am on IntelliJ and I'll be showing you the way how your code can be live reload. Either it's a Java file or JavaScript or HTML. Okay, so for now we are having one controller, fruit controller, and this application is running on 8090 port, and this is just returning. This fruit controller is returning a orange string. Okay, so if I go to web and hit this particular URL, then we are getting the orange. Okay. And let's say if I change to Apple, then I need to restart my application. Then only this particular thing will be visible, right? So there is one way in Spring Boot through which you can live reload your application when any change is detected. So there are three steps to do that. First one, in your build.gradle, we need a dependency actually. And that dependency is this particular, okay, DevTools dependency. Okay, this dependency is development only because we don't need this particular dependency in production, so we just marked as development only, and we just need to rebuild our Gradle from here. Then what you can do, you can go to the settings, and in the settings actually you need to do two things. In the build execution and deployment, you need to go to compiler and you need to enable this particular option, build project automatically. Okay, and then second thing what you need to do, you need to go to advanced setting and you need to search for compiler. Okay, in the compiler section the first option will be allow auto make to start even if developed application is currently running. Okay, so you can just simply click on apply and okay after both these two options. And now if you restart your application, okay, there are two options, either you can debug also or restart also, run mode. So I'm just running for now, okay, my application. And if I go here, then it is showing Apple only right now, but if I change it to orange, then it should automatically reload it. So you just need to wait for few seconds and your application will be reloaded. Okay, so let's wait for it. Okay, so if you see restarting due to one class path change. Okay, so your application restarted automatically. So now if we reload this, then orange has came here. Now there is one more option you can do through debug also. So if I debug the code and I just ran in this in debugger mode. So if we see currently it's orange, then if we do Apple, then here it comes code change. Okay, so if you click on it, it automatically refresh your code. Okay, so if you see it automatically restarted, and if you see now Apple has came. So yes guys, that's it for this particular tutorial. This is how we can reload our application using DevTools. So in the development environment, when we are doing the development, then it will be very helpful. So yeah, see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.